Hey, Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. We're back at it. We're about an hour into the open. We're seeing some strength here across the board, with the exception of the dollar, which is lower. So strength in that pound, strength in the euro, strength in some of the other offshore currencies. Why? Well, we passed that infrastructure bill late Friday evening, over $1 trillion that both the House and the Senate has been working towards. They came to an agreement that now goes to President Biden's desk. He's going to sign off on it. And now the thought being that we're seeing a lot of positive momentum in this economy. It could pick up with the addition of this further spending on infrastructure. So on the back of a strong jobs report Friday, strong non-farm payroll, the unemployment rate dipping down, we're seeing the Dow Jones this morning up by about 150 points. S&Ps are trading higher. Oil is trading up. And again, that FX down. Now, again, dollar's weaker, but it's a big week with a lot of Fed talk, both here in the States as well as central bankers overseas. A lot of discussion over the course of the next few days. So something to keep your eye on. Watch those FX markets, as we could see some volatility. Outside of that, again, we find ourselves in the midst of earnings. We're starting to wind that earnings season down, but could see some movement in some of these stocks. So a lot of opportunity out there to trade. Let's get in there, trade some price action. See you folks again tomorrow.